What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if mobile data isn't working on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and from here turn on flight mode, and after 15 to 20 seconds turn it back off. It will refresh the mobile data settings, and refreshing the mobile data settings will fix the mobile data not working issue. But after this, if you're still facing the issue, then check your network connection. If you're getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your network connection is poor. So move to an area where you can get more than 3 bars of signals, and after that the mobile data issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now scroll down and here tap on more connectivity options, and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now here tap on reset settings, and here enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. So when you will enter the correct pin, password or pattern, it will reset the mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting the network settings, the mobile data issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the mobile data isn't working on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.